everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Who's having a great day. Got another unboxing from Pandora, the one that I couldn't get at the store. So we'll go ahead and unbox this today. And also, I had a request to do what's in my bag with my new Patricia Nash what's it called? English country bag with the ox blood. So I'll probably be doing that later on this week, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like, share, ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And this is the current bag that I'm rocking. It's working out pretty good. I think I'm gonna have to try to get maybe a wallet for it, but I'm having a hard time finding it. This may not be the easiest pattern to match, but it does hold quite a bit. See, but it's a little bit smaller when you start putting stuff in. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty good actually. I mean, for the money, it was only $45 US, so this bag retails for about $159. So I got a good deal on this, and that was brand new. So that's the bag of the day, my Patricia Nash. So we'll see if I can find a wallet. I think the wristlet may be a little bit too, you know what I mean, like too wide. So I think I'm gonna try to find a matching compact wallet. So we'll see what happens there. All right, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Yeah, and there's the little tab there. All right. Says Pandora. Alright, and this is all you get. This Oh, I got a box, so that's encouraging. Get a box. Get a little, what is this? Pandora. Oh, visit us online. So you get that. And there's a little scan me code. Alright, to go on the website, basically. You get a little box. Nothing else. And then you get your receipt. Alright. And I'll leave the description what it is and how much it cost. And it will be in Canadian. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Oh, okay, this is pretty cool. This is a slider on both sides, and it's the new silver Pansy, and it's got a little slider type of thing, and it's the same on both sides, which is nice. That's part of the spring collection. So they have the deep purple, they have the blue, the pink. They did have this really cool like caterpillar, and it just like wrapped around your bracelet, which I thought was kind of cool. But yeah, that must have been like a limited edition or something. That one like never came back kind of thing. But I thought that was pretty cool, and I went into the store to see if I could try to find it, and they knew what I was talking about. Oh, it's called the cute caterpillar. So they do have a ladybug, but it's really, really small, and it was like $85 Canadian. So I didn't really think it was worth it personally, but You may want to look at that too if you're into like insects and things like that. They have some pretty cool stuff for spring. But this is what it looks like. And it's the same on both sides, so hopefully I won't drop it. Okay, it's kind of cool. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I do have the what fits in my Patricia Nash video coming up, and I did have another request. So thanks for requesting things. I do appreciate that. Make sure you put your requests in the comments so I can figure out, you know, how to go about putting something together for you guys. The other request was they wanted me to show my mini flowery Findy Monster bag charm on maybe a few different bags. So what I thought would be kind of a cool idea is to maybe get like a mini, which is flowery, that's the name of the bag charm, and maybe get minty, which is a little like standard size, and then I'll get my ABC charm, which is jumbo, and then maybe get a couple of different size bags, and then, you know, so you have kind of an idea what the sizing, because they're not all the same size. Alright, so I'm going to be putting that together too. So thanks for the request on that one. And thanks for watching me today for my Pandora Pansy Charm Spring Collection 2022. Pretty cool. So I think I'm going to put together another bracelet, maybe just with my flowers. So we'll see how that goes. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, susansrstyle, where I post pictures every single day. Alright, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks again for watching. Bye now.